Hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Charm Studio. Today, we're stepping into the calming charm of rustic farmhouse decor, but with a refreshing, vibrant green twist. In this video, we'll celebrate creativity, affordability, and nature-inspired elegance by transforming vintage treasures into stunning statement pieces. With just a bit of imagination and a touch of lush green paint, forgotten antiques can find new life, bringing warmth and character into our homes. Just a gentle reminder, all the photographs featured in this video are here purely for inspiration. They're meant to spark creativity, helping you envision new and joyful ways to decorate your space with simple elegance. Now, let's begin. Adding a splash of green to rustic farmhouse furniture. One of the easiest ways to refresh rustic farmhouse decor is by incorporating rich green hues into vintage wooden pieces. Picture this: a beautiful antique dresser, painted in a vivid shade of green, its warm natural wood tones peeking through in just the right places, creating a piece filled with nostalgic charm. The combination of green and raw wood brings depth, warmth, and a comforting balance to any room. Or imagine an old wooden ladder, repurposed and painted in a bold green. It instantly becomes a charming organizer for cozy linens, kitchen essentials, or even hanging plants, adding both practicality and beauty to your space. Upcycling forgotten treasures, window frames and mirrors. A vintage window frame might seem like a forgotten relic, but with a coat of pure green paint, it transforms into a stunning farmhouse mirror. Not only does it add character and depth to your walls, but it also helps brighten up your space by reflecting light beautifully. Even in smaller rooms, this simple DIY project can make a space feel airier and more welcoming. If you're enjoying these tips and want more daily inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support helps us grow and continue sharing exciting, budget-friendly home decor ideas. Crates, pallets, and practical green decor. One of my favorite upcycling ideas is using wooden crates and pallets to create functional decor. With a fresh coat of vibrant green paint, crates can be repurposed into rustic storage shelves, perfect for books, plants, or display pieces. DIY farmhouse coffee tables, adding charm to your living space. Stackable storage boxes, for organizing cherished trinkets, family heirlooms, or cozy blankets. These pieces bring in gentle rustic textures while offering a stylish and eco-friendly way to organize your home. Small but mighty, green accent pieces. If you want to add green without fully committing to painting large furniture, try introducing smaller decorative accents throughout your home. Consider antique wooden boxes, vintage trunks, or small furniture pieces, all lovingly painted in bold green hues. These accents work beautifully as statement pieces, providing cheerful, nature-inspired charm all year round. For an even more effortless touch, fresh greenery can do wonders. Potted herbs, hanging ivy, or simple floral arrangements complement painted furniture beautifully, effortlessly tying together the vibrant green and rustic wood elements of your space. Bringing it all together, the beauty of green and rustic charm. Take a deep breath and soak in the warm, inviting atmosphere that green farmhouse decor brings. Whether you're working with repurposed furniture, vintage treasures, or simple DIY projects, each piece tells a story, one of creativity, sustainability, and timeless charm. I truly hope this video has inspired you to see the endless possibilities of decorating with lush green hues and rustic textures. If you love this, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know which DIY project inspired you the most. Subscribe to my channel to stay updated with more budget-friendly farmhouse decor ideas. Until next time, happy decorating!